In this video, we're checking out the Bellagio Penthouse Suite in Las Vegas. It's a holiday weekend, 3-day week in Las Vegas. The wife and I are staying at this trip, and we're going to share another great room tour with you. Coming up next.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever. Love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lose a dream in over Tokyo. Love is forever. Love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever. Love is forever. Gotta let go.
What's up, boys and girls? No. What's up, world travelers? David coming back at you, 702 from Las Vegas to you. In this video, we're bringing you a room tour of the Bellagio Penthouse Suite. Not the Penthouse Suite, just one of the Penthouse Suites. It is big, it is somewhat expensive, but it's not as big and expensive as the Penthouse Suite. Bringing you this room tour, thanks again for all your subscriptions and all your support. Truly love it. Let's get to the video. Stepping in the room, boys and girls, this is what you see. To my left is the wet bar. To my right, the half bathroom. Pick a number between 1 and 3. You choose 3, it's the half bath. That's first. Check it out. Love the wallpaper. Look at this effect right here. It's like funky. But there you go, half bath for your guests. For that big party you throw. Stepping back outside, open this door. Let's check out the half bath. Let's check out the bar. There you go. Alright, step inside this little room, closing the door behind me. What do we have here? Snacks. Pricing available on the menu on the TV, so make sure you check that out. Touch that off, lift it up, you're going to be charged. But here you go, complimentary coffee and tea, help yourself. Let's check out down here. Here you go, this is where you lose your life savings right here. Check out all those mini bottles right there. Fireball, Jack, what do we see? Bacardi, Absolute, Grey Goose, Bombay Sapphire, Jim Beam. See some champagne. There you have it, some wine. Touch that, and they will own you for the rest of your life. Super expensive, boys and girls. Close that before I get arrested. Coming over here, and here is your little fridge. Put your drinks in there, help yourself. Buy yourself some Cokes, buy yourself some beers. There you have it. Close that up. Coming over here. Oh, they're trying to trick us again. What is that? More liquor. For your convenience, pricing may be found on the television menu. You open that, you're going to pay. There's your ice buckets. There's some wine glasses for you. You know, if you want to have a party, you're going to need more glasses than that. I don't know what they're thinking. There you have it. There you have it. Bartender. I'm Isaac, your bartender from the Love Boat. Soon we'll be making another run. All right. Coming out into your living room. We got a desk, got a workstation. TV with soundbar. I was cranking out some music on this earlier. Soundbar puts out some good bass. Harman Kardon. Harman Kardon? I don't know if that's right. There's my camera. Looking out the view. Coming back into the living room right here. All right. Swanky right there. Swanky. Super stylish. Gonna be kicking back there. Watching some college football this weekend. It's a holiday weekend. Look at that. Green alligator. Love it. Love that color. Coming back here into the living room, there's a nice table for you for breakfasts, dinners, in-room dining, chandelier, poker playing. Got some artwork, got some lighting, got some good colors, got a good view. Looking down on the pools right there, Bellagio Pools, Bellagio Conservatory. There is the Cosmopolitan right there. Through that you can see MGM. Right next to that you can see a little bit of Aria. And right there is Vidara looking over there. That is rush hour, Highway 15 right there. People coming in from California. It's actually moving a lot better right now. We are looking west and south towards California. Let's bring it back inside. Nice artwork. Love the chandelier. Let's go check out the bedroom. Pretty cool bedroom. Not too bad. Nice bed. Looks comfy. Stepping on inside. Like the furnishings. Like the lighting. And the window right there is turn around. See the TV. You got your own TV in here. Like that chair right there. And more storage area, dresser drawers. What's kind of cool? His and her bathrooms. Right now I put my wife's stuff there. That's the her bathroom. And that's the his bathroom. Let's check out the her bathroom. Step inside the bathroom, there you have it. Look at the nice little chair action right here. Got the mirror. Got a TV in the mirror over there. Got your bathroom. Toilet. Nice shower. There you have it. Got the stool, you know, a place to sit down when the girls shave their legs. They always like that. So no rain head, but funny. For some reason they got a sprinkler head up there. I don't know why they have that. It's kind of strange. For some reason they have a sprinkler head in the shower. Why not just turn the shower on if there's a fire in the shower, right? It's getting hot in here. Come back around. TV. Closet. Oh, look at this. Got the wife's stuff all ready for this weekend. Robes. She's going to love the robes. There you have it. Good amount of hangers, though we always bring our own. Light turns automatically on. Step over to his bathroom. Though it could be the hers bathroom because it's got a nice makeup chair right here. And she's probably going to want that. Chair, mirror, good lighting. Let's bring it around. TV again. Let's bring it around. Got your TV once again. Jacuzzi tub. Loving that. Going to use that even though it is incredibly hot. Coming over to my bathroom. There's your toilet. It's got a water fountain right here too, which is super cool. You turn it on, the water shoots up and you can just drink right out of it. So it's really, I have seen that before, but it's pretty nice to have that here in Vegas. Your own water fountain. It's got really cold water, so actually it can be hot or cold. Maybe you want to make some tea, something like that. So there you go. Loving the water fountain right there, boys and girls. Hot and cold water on demand. Turn it on, stick your head down there, get a little drink. It's pretty nice. And checking out the artwork. Let's come around. Got that jacuzzi tub one more time. Come over to my closet. Got a few more things in this closet. Alright, there you have it. More robes, ironing board. Here you got a hair dryer. There's also a room safe right back here. So there you have it. Go Bears, go! We're 1 week away from the football season. Gonna play some bets. I think the Bears are going to the Super Bowl this year. I think they're 9-1. 9-1 on the odds. Gonna play $100 on there. Get the Bears to the Super Bowl. There you have it. All right. Coming back into the bedroom. Wrapping that one up, boys and girls. Nice room. Into the main room. Might have a little party here tonight. Find some people down on the casino floor. Invite them up.
somewhere above. The city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lose a dream, you know the Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own design, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lose a dream, you know the Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. To believe you gotta let go. Lose a dream, you know the Tokyo.
Just close your eyes.
And when you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Just close your eyes.
Someone's been waiting for you. Someone's been waiting for you.
Wrapping up my room tour, boys and girls. Going to get this uploaded to you in the next few weeks. I want to thank you again for all your support. Please hit that like and subscription button for me as I provide you new content. I hope you find my information valuable. I hope you find my antics entertaining. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Travel safe out there, boys and girls. Make sure you come to Vegas. Look me up when you do. Drop me a line on my Instagram, my Facebook, or message me, and I'll give you my own private phone number. I'll hook you up, take care of you. I know all the ins and outs of the city. Want everyone to have a good time when they come here. 702 from Las Vegas to you, David, signing off. Thank you.